Chief Minister 𝐁𝐵𝐬 chairs State Cabinet meeting at 𝐂𝐻𝐻 District Headquarters, inaugurates lays foundation stones for several projects. What is government doing on bid to snatch Meitei lands by cookies at Churachandpur and Moreh? Asked former Minister 𝐍𝐶𝐒. And first Manipur Legislative Assembly Day in history observed at 𝐸𝐻𝐻 Sumang Lila Sanglan. Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Northeast Window. This is CELINA giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in detail. After a hiatus, Chief Minister 𝐁𝐵𝐬 today chaired a state cabinet meeting at the conference hall of 𝐂𝐻𝐻 Mini Secretariat located at 𝐂𝐻𝐻 District Headquarters. Ministers Thongam Biswajit, Yumnam Khemchan, Govindas Kontozam, Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Thaunawsam Basanta Kumar, Haikam Dingo, El Susindro, Awangbo Nimai, and Kashim Vashum attended the cabinet meetings, while two Kuki ministers, 𝐿𝐔𝐿𝐈 and 𝐁𝐵𝐻𝐻 did not come to attend the meeting. Chief Secretary Dr. Vinit Joshi, DGP Rajib Singh, and other top government officials were also present at the cabinet meeting. Chief Minister 𝐁𝐵𝐬, along with his cabinet ministers, left for 𝐂𝐻𝐻 in a helicopter from Kangla Helipad at 9:30 a.m. this morning. People of 𝐂𝐻𝐻 belonging to Tangkhul Naga community accorded a warm welcome to the Chief Ministers and his cabinet ministers upon their arrival at 𝐂𝐻𝐻. The agenda of today's meeting is not known yet. After the cabinet meeting, the Chief Minister also inaugurated and laid foundation stones for several projects worth crores of rupees.
Difficulties kitang leibadagi internet si hangdabani internet hek hangbaga nahan tawrido Imphal da at aroi bimi leiba yada aduna mayam please aigi site gi TKS ka isin law sing aduga tai leibiriba civil organization jai appeal tawjari sanga bada just numit mari mangani mangai re ai ngarang ai direct ada wari sai to ada su concern khinan loibo aduna mayam kitang patient Manipur ni hujik thoi beirang si trouble time ni adubu hujik mayam gi blessing dagi ishwar gi blessing dagi koi peace hanjal pa hore koi development gi lamda mai onsen ba hore mayam wari sanaba watai sanaba peace lakpa gi lambi da koi yam kanna hona dana hore koi na mayam na su matam punamakta nahan koi tangkul singlaga prayer to birami pastor mayam pumbi raktana aingon the blessing pi birami ne birami aga aduma mayam na leptana dum tobina bai haijari history si de sort to be aroi aduga history si namjal laga thamsu yaroi aseng ba posi tholokani ngasi tholai si indigenous kanano karino na awana thine ra isin tampakta awa ba taba matamda noise de tumba yade laga hangai arei be injang koraga aikoi sidai da awa ba taba matamda kari doro pano ra ing tumba yade kari walige sigi relationship se aseng ba do kanano achum ba do kanano na khangan bir ka ngasi de koi amatto oibe sinna oibagi lambi de satpa hora isin masigi lambi se iswarna matam sangna puba sembi bo isno civil society ro 𝐂𝐻𝐻 and village chiefs na khoina war on drugs ki anti drugs ki campaign am kanna to bi bodo I am appreciate awe makha sathabio drug na khoi lakh 50 khak leiba Manipur sida 1.5 lakhs youth affected by the drugs akhoi line lo bo yaroi.
Former Minister 𝐍𝐶𝐒, who represented Thongzu Assembly constituency in the Manipur State Legislative Assembly, has emphasized the need for state government and the state security advisor to make it known to the public what steps have been taken and efforts have been made regarding the attempt to snatch Meitei lands by cookies after burning and razing houses of Meiteis to the ground at Churachandpur and Moreh. Addressing media persons at his residence at Palace compound today, 𝐍𝐶𝐒 further said, except for the cookie houses that were burnt or demolished in the heat of the crisis in the beginning, Meiteis have not demolished or wrecked any Kuki houses or have any organization occupied any Kuki structure or building in Imphal Valley till date. However, all lands and houses of Meiteis in the hills have now been occupied by the Kukis, Bijoy said.
Meitei singi lam aduga makhoi yum sing building sing pumnamak Moreda Tusanpurda aduga Kangpokpida dismantle torga leveling to thokna manganba phagi lamni haidana claim tongna ruhonai basi ngasi obada sarkar sina amasung advisor na karam thabak lokhalabage habase prajada kanganba mathau tai imphal da leiriba ki sinok singi building amata thawbadagi natraga ihoma lakadagi mai thakibadu natna ngasi phoba kanamtana sangaga dismantle toba occupy toba lanai yoine toba organization yoine toba ji phoba amata leitri toi masung singdadi hairiba Meitei lam sing ase ayamana leitre hen logia beramdi video footage photo yeduba picture singna madu mayik sing tai oda lo si phalda tang chanaba singdana chanaba watpagi mami ama tari basi Manipur sarkana ningthi jana bai khanaraga bai samanaba yam uniform oiba loma chahan batarkar oi hangor basu haibasu sarkar sina akai madu tori madu pamthokli haidan mahaiba ground di hekal leramdaba Susanpura ngasi karamba phiyomda leiri akoi khangba ngamde maramdi Susanpura khoigi correspondent sing aduga sarkar gi media sing adu sarkar gi official singna pirakpa khoigi report siga phangiba siga anisi matam amadekta yengu tabda adum khenaba leiba machine takpadi koi the pdiva information sarkar pdiva information bazar phangiba information se matiksha di tai.
While emphasizing the need for the security forces to control the crisis situation as a mediator, he contended that it is not prudent to indulge in partisan act on pretext of controlling situation in the hills.
I amasung ikoina pokoni tariba jagada lei lomiwesi da kulai partition do hadu haiganati kadumba nakal animuna khanar go tamda makoni intervention to hai intervention haibadi marak lepaga nakoi khanaba yaro haida khamdokpado madu akoi darkar hoi aduna sindadi akoi khamdokpani haiba aduga thamoidana narondana amada mating pam gi thabakse athubada thadokpam tamda akoi shanti jokpam dasima aduna Bharat Sarkar ki Union Minister oiriba Action Affairs Minister 𝐶𝐈𝐒 horrible alausi Manipur khaki sin kukijo terrorist khak natana mapandagi khulai paiba narco terrorist yaure habasi confirm tore haidana tongan ba akhoi platform da hai khabani honorable Minister Home Affairs su masi pan khabani madu obe targadi ji akhoi khanari basi kana gano Meitei khakka khanari bra natra government ida government khanari bra masi akhoi mun khanam thoi aduna aigi makedi gidi asigumba wafam masa pham torobadina India government na athubada sangariba narco terrorism Manipur da leiriba adugumba terrorism se masi mateng pangba lakiba singa se athubada plus out togodabani habisini aigi makedi gi thamdani bani.
First Manipur Assembly Day, commemorating the day elected members of Kangleipak, Manipur, formed the Manipur Legislative Assembly for the first time in the history of Kangleipak, Manipur. On October 18, 1948, was observed at Ivoyaima Sumang Lila Sanglen today. The observance was organized by Committee of Civil Societies Kangleipak CCSK. Former Registrar of Manipur University, Oinam Kulabidhu, President of CCSK Jitendra Ningomba and Consultant of CCSK Dr. Asangbam Jitan graced the observance as Chief Case, President and Guest of Honor respectively. Speaking on the occasion, President of CCSK Jitendra Ningomba said, Manipur State Constitution Act was formed in 1947 and thereafter an election was held in June 1948 by exercising the universal adult franchise in Kangleipak, Manipur for the first time across South Asia. The elected members then formed the Manipur Legislative Assembly for the first time in October 18 of the same year. He further said that it was a historic day, the erstwhile legislators began a governance providing the people of the land equal treatment under one law. Expressing the need to follow the footsteps and ideals of the 10 legislators who advocated peace coexistence for their posterity, Jitendra contended that it will be against the wishes of the forefathers if the present-day leaders continue to remain self-righteous.
Universal franchise that based on vote vote mayam assembly Manipur habasi leiba symptoms punna laminare kanda apun bo Manipur ni sakum sakala kanda vote kari bo mayam singla koi punna lemini ke bodu sini dura kari bo alam singla ambiram bai koi wakal tum lam chatki khalla kanda koi amana mo bo koi karo dong ni tanga do koi ujuk Manipur ni leiba ngasi ki situation si de yamna mathok tare aduna leibiri ba lengak pasin sina man khali wakal sing de na chumi han kham Already, but the mother 1940 either Kanki wa Alam Simoko Pura, Tayunabu, or Geduna, Zibi Manipugi, Kai the Nenabogam Miamna, Tineriba, Lansida, we put the suction in a Kanda Kanba, I was in Kumorikanda, the CD programs on top.
Joint security forces recovered arms and ammunition during an intelligence-based search operations at Dampi village in Churachandpur district yesterday. During the search operation, the security forces recovered one 9mm pistol with magazine, one country-made single-barrel rifle, one rifle 12mm bore, one country-made improvised mortar, one rocket-propelled grenade, one country-made improvised bomb along with some ammunitions, and one combat dress on the outskirts of the village. Alongside the search operation, the security forces also conducted a medical camp and distributed medicines and essential items to the villagers to provide them relief during the ongoing crisis. On the other hand, as part of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Assam Rifles under the aegis of IGAR South headquarters conducted a joint cleanliness drive along with the villagers of Tusum village in Ukhrul district on Monday. It is said that the drive was aimed at spreading awareness on the importance of cleanliness as part of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and also to make the area of Tusum village clean and green. Meanwhile, 601 bags of areca nuts, estimated to be worth over 6 crore rupees, loaded in 13 Shaktiman trucks were seized, and 23 individuals who were drivers and co-drivers of the trucks were apprehended at FICO in Kamjong district today. According to a report from IGAR South headquarters, the trucks were coming from the international border towards the Indian side. The apprehended individuals along with the seized items and vehicles were handed over to Forest Department Kamjong for further legal proceedings, the report said. Kuki militants yet again fired many rounds of gunshots at Phuvala and Sunusifai Meitei villages from Langjing Manbu Reserved Forest using light machine gun LMG yesterday. Several rounds of gunshots were also reportedly fired at Naransena and Kaifa Road. Villagers expressed astonishment and questioned as to how the Kuki militants kept attacking the area where the Sikh Regiment, BSF, CRPF and 2nd IRB are on guard round the clock. They also drew the attention of the government to make arrangement for harvest in their own paddy fields. It may be recalled, an innocent farmers who went to his paddy fields in the area were rushed to Raj Medicity after he was shot by Kuki terrorists on June 8. District Health Society Integrated Disease Surveillance Program (IDSP) State Unit and Imphal East District today organized a one-day awareness program on scrub typhus at Uyumpok Mamang Community Hall. State Surveillance Officer Dr. KH Roshan, District Surveillance Officer Dr. Konsam Fotan, State Epidemiologist Dr. Bharti Maitram were the research persons of the program. State Epidemiologist Dr. Bharti Maitram said that 173 cases of scrub typhus have been detected in Manipur, and as such, preventive measures should be taken up during the end of monsoon season by avoiding areas with dense vegetation. She further added that if symptoms like fever develop after going to areas with dense vegetations, different tests and treatments can be done for free at the nearest government hospitals. She also appealed to the people to not hide their illness if any symptoms develops and get timely medical treatment. Now let's take a quick break.
Langston Biraksi, JR Institute of Medical Sciences, Hata Telepati Road, Imphal East, Paramedical Course Sing Tambaki Khudong Java Pizari, Manipur International University ki Makhada, BSc MLT, RIT, OTT, Diploma MLT, OTT, RIT ki course sing ki admission hausare. Pizari ba Khudong Java Sing di, Scholarship ki Khudong Java su Pizari, Lower Income Amadi Orphan Singi Akanaba Khudong Java Sing su Pizari. Tamba Loraba Matungda 100% job placement legani. College Asiki campus Manungda multi-speciality hospital ama lazari. Mapung fana ningtina clinical training tobuki facility leire. Experience leraba qualified oraba faculty khakna takani. Hostel amadi library ki khudong chabasu pizari. Akupa marol ki damak makhada pizari ba contact number asida call tobirau. JR Institute of Medical Sciences, Hata Telepati Road, Imphal East.
Years of trusted diagnostic service, Babina Diagnostics.
Diabetes ka loina na hinglibusing tha amagi manungda fahan bangamle. Khong hamba nungai tabasu numit mangani gi manungda fahan bangamle. Piles haibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahan bangamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oina lehen bangamle. BP wangbasu tha amagi manungda normal da lehen bangamle. Pumnamak natural oiba anoba hidak makal singna lying jabani. Haksang da sokadaba side effect amata leite. Makhatana hidak chabagi mathau su tararoi. Ako pamorol gidamak na simaglengsin birau Diabetes Hospital, Jennings Road near Punjab National Bank, Porompat.
Welcome back. Lifesavers Manipur and Arushi today organized a voluntary blood donation camp and campaigned at Department of Transfusion Medicine, RIMS Imphal, on the occasions of birthday of National Film Awardee Tonthoi Nganbi Laisangthem. Speaking on the occasion, Tonthoi Nganbi said that she is celebrating her birthday by donating blood as a community service. She added that she has donated blood 8 times now, and in today's campaign, 35 persons, including her husband, donated blood. She also urged people to donate blood to help those in need during the current crisis in Manipur, and also in view of rising dengue cases in Manipur. Retired Commissioner of Earth and Culture Department, K. Radha Kumar, said that protecting and promoting one's culture will be extremely difficult without discipline, and if people don't meet the basic necessity of life. He said this today on the 3rd day of 4-day festival of narrative art forms in Manipur at Iboyaima Sumang Lila Sanglan. The festival is jointly organized by Manipur State Sumang Lila Council and Theatre Mirror Imphal. The focus was on Khongzom Perva art form on the 3rd day of the festival today. Speaking further, Radha Kantas urged the younger generation to take the opportunity to learn about the age-old art forms of the state during the festival. advisor of Manipur State Sumang Lila Council, L. Terpon, who also graced the festival as presidium members, said, "Many cultures and traditions of olden days are depicted in narrative art forms." He also expressed the need for the present generation to learn discipline of the state culture, which cannot be found in books from elders. Bahujana Sahitya Academy National Committee of India conferred Seva Ratna National Award 2023 to Phungrengam Kaising of Kaihau Tangkhul village, Ukhrul, in recognition of his sincere service as a teacher. The award was handed over by National President, Bahujana Sahitya Academy, Nala Radha, and Manipur State President, Bahujana Sahitya Academy, Panjabam Lanajit Singh, during the 4th Bahujana Writers All India Conference held on 15th of this month at Andhra Association's Auditorium, Lodi Road, New Delhi. The award carries a soul, a citations, and a memento. Phungrengam Kaising is currently a teacher at St. George School, located at Dungrai Hungpung in Ukhrul district. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister N. Biren chairs State Cabinet meeting at Ukhrul District headquarters, inaugurates lay foundation stones for several projects. What is government doing on bid to snatch Meitei lands by cookies at Churachandpur and Moreh? Asked former Minister 𝐍𝐄𝐲. And first Manipur Legislative Assembly Day in history observed at Boyaima Sumang Lila Sanglan. And that is all we have for now. But for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.